In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix common QuickBooks app issues. If your QuickBooks app is crashing, freezing, or refusing to sign in, follow along and try these fixes in order. After each one, reopen the app to see if the issue is resolved before moving on. Start by restarting your device, then relaunch the QuickBooks app. A fresh reboot clears out temporary glitches, frees up memory, and stops background processes that might be interfering. Fully close QuickBooks first, power your device off for about 20 to 30 seconds, turn it back on, and try again. Next, check your internet connection for stability. QuickBooks needs a reliable connection to sync and sign in. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if possible, move closer to your router. If you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it and test again. A quick speed test or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help confirm whether the network is the culprit. Update the QuickBooks app to the latest version through your device's app store. Updates include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that often resolve crashes and login errors. Open your app store, search for QuickBooks, and tap Update if available. Turning on automatic updates can prevent future issues. If you're on a mobile device and the problem continues, clear the app cache and data. This removes corrupted temporary files that can cause odd behavior. Go to your device settings, find apps or applications, select QuickBooks, then Storage, and choose Clear Cache. If needed, clear data as well. Understanding this will sign you out and reset app preferences, but your account data remains safely on QuickBooks servers. Still not working? Uninstall and reinstall the QuickBooks app. This gives you a clean install with fresh files. Before you uninstall, make sure you know your login details and that any offline receipts or drafts are saved. Then delete the app, restart your device, and reinstall QuickBooks from the official App Store. If you're running into sign-in errors, verify your login credentials. Double-check your email or username and make sure Caps Lock isn't on. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option in the app or on the official site and follow the prompts to reset it securely. And if the problem continues, contact QuickBooks support. Have helpful details ready, like your device model, operating system version, app version, and any error messages or screenshots. You can reach them through the in-app help or the official support website. Avoid sharing sensitive information publicly and provide only what support asks for. Follow these steps carefully and you'll resolve most QuickBooks app issues quickly and safely.